What did we find, ladies and germs?
Factory.
That was in the drain.
Another pocket knife?
Makes total sense, right?
Oh, yeah. Hey, we could use that for that other thing.
Well, we already found a pocket knife.
It looks like factory.
Oopsie.
Can you see my screwdriver coming through or no?
Nope.
It looks like factory undercoating or.
Scotty, can you
anti-rust.
see Allie's tip?
You should get mine out.
I'm in rare form
He's
today.
right here.
This is
Turn around,
great.
turn around, turn around, turn around, turn around, turn around.
We have a lot of fun over here on this.
Oh, wait.
Got another
one.
What?
Do you need a smaller screwdriver?
Unbelievable.
What'd you find?
End of days.
That looks like a rock. Look, it's faggot.
You want the bigger one?
Only if it's thick
No,
and veiny.
mine's longer.
Is my mom?
All right. Scotty likes length over girth. I'm titling this video, Scotty likes
Here, I'll
length over girth.
Short and thick,
Are you okay? The trick.
Yeah.
Can we see now out of this now? Yes, we see daylight. That's a good thing.
You?
Yeah.
Well, kind of, maybe.
Wait, what's that? Stop.
What?
What did that say? What did that say right there?
That's the time.
No, underneath of it, it had a black bar.
Christ.
Are you in a different?
is bigger than his leg.
Oh.
Videoing.
Oh. Here. Oh shit! I just black cock.
Shit the bed.
Whoops.
Allie tries black cock and doesn't like it.
Oh, girl.
If the tile's not black, it's gonna look weird.
We can see daylight. We're good.
Oh, yeah.
Yep, we're good.
This just went way downhill.
Oh. That one's not very open, though.
I only like black
Should
rock
that be-
if the
should that be-
tile is gray.
Should that be more open? Like, see how this one's got like...
Are you
Laminate.
Metal. I'm
Laminate.
a little afraid of that because I.
What else?
Yeah, you gotta be careful because you could actually.
But you can see like there's something there that's cock blocking.
Are we?
That's the inch.
Did you
Not
say it's
much
cock
cock
blocking you? Oh, girl.
What?
What did you say was cock blocking you?
There's a little nub there.
A little nub was cock blocking
Yeah, you
you?
gotta watch out for the nubs.
Oh, Jesus.
They can really do damage.
Anybody?
Beats the shit out of the sides.
I'm not touch bottom, but I'll stretch the shit out of the sides. Big around as a can of corn.
Can of corn.
Oh, dear.
Oh, man.
We got some issues.
Well, this
Up.
this episode has went
There's
downhill.
a big, what
There's
was
like
that?
a washer.
Do we have like
Yeah.
a little magnet? That would be the way to get that out.
Yeah.
Where's that?
Remember in the bottom drawers? In the.
Lord, okay.
But I think if we do like the big sections like this, this will go, there's one across, it gets to here, goes mostly over the tunnel.
Okay.
I'm titling this, A Doctor and Engineer Talk About Dynamite.
You need a good bit of-
These two are smarter than everybody else in the room.
Nano.
Oh my god!
If you want to just put one and wrap it over,
That shit's
or
hilarious!
if you want to cut part of it.
Alright, so,
Here's the
a little dynamite, do a little mock-up. Ah, yes, the
that will
crevasse.
give you
Crevasse tool.
pretty
Yes.
close right here. It'll
No, that's a poopy tool.
thing, a little relief cut right there. That'll hold down.
It could be that the washer's not even
Yeah.
So you had
And I think that'll give you enough on your tunnel.
Yeah, I think
Then
so.
a lap over right here. Because we've got, if you cut here, this will be almost wide enough to do your wheel well.
Why not just start it from there and run it up over the tunnel and cut
What
whatever
about this
holes
little
I
guy?
need to cut?
You want a solid piece to go over the
I mean, we can do it.
Doesn't really have to be 100% coverage, and it'll still kind of do its thing. But we got 5 sheets.
Yeah, so one sheet there over the tunnel, a part of a sheet there, and the same thing coming over the other way. but that only leaves you one sheet
One
left.
sheet to the back.
Yeah. Now the back wobble.
I got kids every time I did that.
You might get away with it.
Yeah, down right there.
Yeah.
And then it's towards the back of
Because-
the wall, so pull it up. You gotta push back and pull it. Push it the best you can.
Well, it probably fell off or something.
This video not sponsored by Coors, but it should be.
Yeah.
Oh, I just saw one of the very first episodes of Alf today, and Alf was drinking Coors, which was very obviously the cans of Coors, but it had like silver tape around. But Alf said, "You're out of Coors," and he also gave the 6-year-old boy Coors.
That's the spirit.
That's the spirit.
We can't blow it out.
What?
We can't blow it out. We're gonna suck it out.
Yeah, that's fine.
We're talking about dynamite, and then back here we're talking about blowing and sucking and all kinds of shit. What the hell?
Oh, I see it now.
Definitely sucking.